Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the built-in scale and tare function. To use the built-in scale on your ThermoMix TM7, it is available during all different modes, but also it's available if you're not in a mode. If you're not in a mode, you can slide down from the top of your screen like that and then find the scale button. Now it will open the scale and you can now start adding something either into the bowl or on top of the bowl, and it'll start weighing it. Then if you want to tare it, you can tare it. And now when I remove the ingredient, you can see, if you click on tare, it will just set the current weight to 0. And that's how you can do it. You can also access the scale by going to the modes option here and then clicking on the scale right here. Or, as I said, it is available in all the different modes. In manual mode, you have the scale available right here. In let's say, blend mode, I should have the scale available as well. As you can see, it's just available in all modes. And also the scale will automatically turn on in some guided cooking. For example, let's do the pizza margarita. Now I'll resume the recipe. I'll restart it from the beginning. And as you can see, it shows me the first step. The next is it shows me what to place in the bowl. And I can remove, it tells me to remove the lid, then it turns on the weight. And now the scale, right? And now if I add enough of the ingredient, it will automatically tick that ingredient for me. You can see it'll take a little moment, and then it's ticked, and it'll tare automatically and get to the next ingredient. Let's say I've added the sugar, and then it'll tare, and I can now add yeast. And then click on next and continue with the next steps. It tells me to put on the lid, and that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.